Do your feet feel sore and rough every time you walk, like you're stepping on gravel? Calluses may seem harmless, but they can cause real pain, especially when they crack or harden. Whether it's from poor-fitting shoes, constant friction, standing for hours, or even poor posture, calloused feet are your body's way of crying out for help. But what if you could soothe that discomfort and restore smooth, healthy skin using a remedy straight from your kitchen? In today's video, discover the best home remedy for callous feet that's not only natural and affordable, but also incredibly effective. Welcome to Feel Well Daily, where we bring you expert-backed wellness tips for everyday living. If you're struggling with dry, hardened feet or painful calluses, stick around to learn a remedy that works without expensive salon visits or harsh chemicals. Calluses are your skin's way of protecting itself from friction and pressure. They often form on the heels, balls of the feet, and big toes due to walking, ill-fitting shoes, standing for long hours, or lack of moisture. While calluses aren't typically dangerous, they can crack, become painful, and even lead to infection if not properly managed. Unfortunately, many people ignore them or rely on quick fixes that don't last. Over-the-counter foot scrubs and pumice stones may help temporarily, but unless you address the root cause and soften the thickened skin properly, the callus always comes back. So what's the best natural remedy? One of the most effective treatments is a simple baking soda and lemon soak followed by coconut oil and socks overnight. Baking soda is a natural exfoliant that helps soften tough skin. Lemon juice is acidic and aids in breaking down the hardened layers. To make the soak, fill a basin with warm water, add 3 tablespoons of baking soda and the juice of half a lemon. Soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. After soaking, use a pumice stone gently to remove the softened callus. Then, rinse your feet and pat them dry. Apply a generous layer of virgin coconut oil, which deeply moisturizes and repairs the skin barrier. Put on clean cotton socks and leave them on overnight. Why does this work so well? Baking soda balances the skin's pH while sloughing off dead cells. Lemon enhances exfoliation and has mild antibacterial properties. Coconut oil is rich in lauric acid, which not only moisturizes but also protects against infections and promotes healing of cracked skin. Do this 3 to 4 times a week, and you'll start seeing visibly smoother, softer feet in less than 2 weeks. This remedy is based on a proven method that has helped thousands of people struggling with rough, painful feet. It's safe, effective, and uses ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Unlike chemical peels or abrasive tools that can damage your skin if overused, this method is gentle and promotes natural healing. If you've been hiding your feet or dealing with discomfort, this could be the solution you've been looking for. Calluses don't have to be a permanent problem. With consistency and the right ingredients, your feet can look and feel amazing again. Let us know in the comments if you've tried this or any other remedies that worked for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more practical health and self-care videos. Share this with someone who might be dealing with calloused feet. See you in the next video.